It's messy, don't mind all this. I just moved in, so I got boxes everywhere. But we're gonna have a nice little setup right here. It's gonna be nice in here. So let me know what to paint the walls. I'm thinking all white and like black flooring, I think. Or like a darker flooring and probably white ceilings. Everybody has the hex lights. I don't think I'm gonna do that in here because it's kind of small. It's like a regular 2-car garage. But I think I'm gonna just do regular like 8-foot shop lights going across, and then we'll call it a day because it's actually pretty dark in here when it's not like right outside. But I just had to jump start this thing again. I got like a little battery jumper, and I actually need to go to Home Depot like right now to return some bullshit just bought. So let's do that now. Bro, visibility is on 0 right now. What the hell? That's crazy. Some what is it? Silent Hill right here. This is crazy. I'm actually returning this thing. This is like a battery tender or like a battery maintainer. This thing sucks. Do not buy this unless you have like a Honda Grom or like something super small. I mean, it's a 12 volt, or it does 12 volts, 6 and 12 volts right there. This is a 12 volt battery, obviously, or like 12 point something, I don't know. It sucks. I tried it. I couldn't really get it to work. I read the manual like through and through, and it makes sense. It just doesn't work for me. So I'm gonna get like a well, actually I should say this is like the epitome of like you get what you pay for. And this thing was probably like $40. So I don't know what I expected, but I expected it to at least keep a charge on the battery, but it just, I don't know, it just didn't work for some reason. So I'm just gonna go ahead and return it. I drive this car like once or twice a week now. Damn, light stayed green for 3 seconds. Oh, okay. So yeah, I probably drive this car like once or twice a week. So after, if I go like a little over a week without driving it, it's like practically dead and it won't start. So I'm sure I need a new battery by now, but that battery, like I said before, is like 2023 it was put in there. So it's kind of sort of new-ish, like, you know, almost maybe 2 years old or something like that. Yo, there's no way my average MPG is 11.7. There's no way, bro. I drive this thing like an angel. I'm telling you, like, I'm so light on the gas. I'm so light on the gas. This does not make any sense. Oh, see, look, I think did it just go up? Or did I already say 11.6? See, I don't even remember. I don't know what's going on. I think after, because I used to drive this car every day, and I think after a while, I kind of got tired of driving it. Just too many issues popping up, and I just didn't really want to deal with it. And like a nice quiet ride is so nice for like short trips or like every day. I understand now after like almost a year of why people only drive these type of cars on the weekends. And I think you appreciate it more when you drive it on weekends. It just went to 11.2. Anyway, you appreciate it more when you drive it on weekends, and I feel pretty like excited to drive this car every once in a while. You just kind of, it's just something that you kind of look forward to, I guess. We gotta get this average up. I got a long drive ahead of me, like 40 miles, I think. So we gotta get that average up. Sheesh, brother. Wow. Yo, the sun is looking crazy right now. What in the world? That's crazy. How's that even possible? Thirsty.
That we never knew. Go at a
Yo, who is this outside of Buc-ee's right now? I don't know, but it's clean. This is what I'm looking for. Genius 10. And we're gonna be solid. Oh, my favorite section of every store. Oh, I need to buy some diamonds, some solid gold. Get one of these. I took this off, and honestly, it feels a lot better. So I think I'm gonna just leave it off until I get a new steering wheel, because I do want to get a steering wheel. Really haven't looked too much yet, but I am gonna get one this year. Probably within the next couple of months, I think. I need to fix this, and that's why I parked facing in. And my side skirt, it's so dark in here. You can't even tell, which I guess is a good thing. Oh, and that too, I gotta fix the little panel, that little like, I don't know, mud flap type of thing there. Gotta fix that too. Just a lot of small stuff that I need to fix. And man, it's so dark in here. What the, hold on. Okay, that's a little better. It's disgusting in here right now, but I just moved in and I need to get all this done. Like, it looks terrible in here. I haven't got the recycle bins yet, which they should have arrived yesterday, I think. Still haven't arrived. But anyway, that's a whole nother thing. So yeah, excuse the garage. It's a mess right now. I'm gonna get it sorted out. It's gonna look super nice once I get everything going and stuff. But yeah, we got a little mini projects to do over the weekend, and hopefully I can get them done. If not, oh well. I am so happy to have a garage. You do not understand. This is gonna be so lit, bro. Working on my car in my own garage. Oh my God, I am so excited. It's been a long time coming. Bro, this thing is toast, bro. This thing is toast. Bro, I can't believe this just happened. I was taking these out and it hit. Oh my God. Oh man. I gotta find like a paint pen or something for that, man. Oh, that sucks. Oh. We're left by the last owner. I'm not gonna put these on. I'm just gonna toss these probably. They'll probably sell them, but I mean, it's not really worth the hassle. So I'll think about it. I gotta get this AC fixed, man. Sheesh, brother. Oh, right-hand drive. That's a nice steering wheel. This thing is clean. Oh, carbon hood. Vented. Oh my goodness. Manual. I didn't even see that. These wheels are clean though. Purple and gold? Purple and bronze. Oh, this wing is sick too. Wow. Clean. I still want one of these. I want a right-hand drive one too. One day. These things are a lot of work though. Hella work. Oh, the white on white in there? That's sick. It's clean. Not really a rally guy. This is probably the cleanest. What is this, a BRZ? BRZ 86. Clean. I'm not gonna record her, she's in there. That's a nice color. I've seen this Supra a couple times. Clean. Very good turnout. What is this? A Grand Sport? The white and black is hard though. Oh. I know they have vents right there. I would get this in all black. All black. That is clean. Red seats. Clean. Simple. Integras. Not really an Integra guy. Or a Civic guy. Yeah, it's clean though. This is more my style. GTRs. We saw this one. Don't think I've seen this one though. If you don't get your... Yeah, I haven't seen this blue one before. One of the cleanest Z's you can get. It's fire. Some BC Forge wheels. I've seen this a few times. Still clean every time. Sylvia. I don't think that's Brandon's. I don't think so. Is this Brandon's? I don't think so. He has some kind of badging on it. It's clean though. White on white. Slaps every time. What's this, a Stinger? Yep. 350. Or somebody is showing out over there. Anyway, this Porsche is clean. This is a, what is this? I'm gonna guess, a Cayman? I don't know what this is, but I want one of these. If it's a Cayman, they're not that expensive. You can get one for like 40, 50. This is a M3, I think. It's clean. White and black. Carbon accents. Carbon wing. I fucks with it. I'm not a BMW guy though. Audi TT. Like a little baby R8 in there. I don't know anything about these because it's not an R8. This thing is actually clean though. That's a Corolla? That's crazy. Cosmos? Alright, this is gonna sound crazy, but I actually fuck with these now. This is so clean. Bro, roll cage. Oh my. Bro, be whipping the hell out of this old thing. This is clean. Oh my goodness. I might have to get one. These things gotta be like $5 grand right now, bro. These things are so unwanted, but you put some work into it and it can be clean. Bro, I feel bad. Everybody's laughing at this guy that just pulled up. What is this, an Impala? A Malibu? Everybody was just laughing at this guy pulling up. I feel bad for him. What? Those are stock wheels? This thing is fire. This is the reason that I got my C5, because of this car. Can't afford one of these. But I need to get one of these. Damn. That will be driving. Carbon wing. This is sick. I get this in all black. Sheesh. I want one of these low key. This thing looks brand new. Bro, I'm gonna get one of these just to be funny. I would only get it in a mango though, not gonna lie. These things are little. Probably fun though. Bro, I need one of these, bro. That yellow is a nice color. Nice wheels. Absolutely need to get one of those. Oh, this thing is so fire, bro. This man got Brembos on it. Oh my god. It's a SS, I think. Chevy SS? Something like that.